Free adopt me pets. Free adopt me pets. Go add me my name. Look my name. Wait. My name is there. Add me there. There's my bed. It's good, right? Wait. Impossible dream. Sorry, but I speak Tagalog. Alam niyo yung kalaban ko sa Call of Duty ng buka. Kaya, dinugaan ko, nagbuiset. At alam niyo sino? Si Kael. Nagbabalili siya. At naging Kael. Yan na lang.